This Firestick app is an absolute game changer, literally. You're going to love it. If you are wondering what to do on your Firestick, if you need something different to do, if you've got family, if you've got kids, and they're all driving you insane and you want to entertain them, this app is the one for you. I'm going to show you it, don't worry. But before we do, if you are new here and you are into your Firesticks, you're streaming, anything like that, do remember to check out the Doc Squiffy channel. This is where we are. Do remember to hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to keep up to date with everything we do as a community, we've also got our Discord channel linked directly underneath for you. So, a quick question. Do you like games? Do you remember any old retro games you used to like to play? If so, comment them underneath this video in the comment section. What was your favourite retro game? Let me know. And I'm going to show you an app. And I'm going to show you how to install this app called Arcade Ant Stream. Let me just load in. It's full of games and you can play them. Tournaments, achievements, all on your Firestick, all with your remote. And it's all here for you. So you can click on them and play them. Obviously, you can link up controllers if you want to. I will show you how to install this in a minute. You've got Mortal Kombat. You can obviously click it. We can play. So you click Got It. That's the challenges on the challenge page. And we're going to play the challenge. So I'm going to go solo on this one just to start it off. You can play with the controller sideways. Just don't hit the home button. As you'll see there, I am just getting the hang of it. We've got a punch. And we've got a kick. It is obviously easier to install a gamepad, which I'll show you how to do as well. Any second now. Right, let's get out of this game before I die anymore. There's tons of games in here, okay? Tons and tons and tons of games in here. Go back out of there. If you have a look down, and I'm sure there'll be plenty, it's probably the ones you've all just said underneath as well. Look at them all. These are all in here. I'm just scrolling down the remote. We are on a Firestick or a Fire TV Cube, Fire TV device. We all love Worms. Worms was great. Tons and tons and tons and tons of games. Okay, firstly, let's show you how to get it. And then I'll show you how you can add a controller as well if you want to. So, to get it, it's really easy. Go to the magnifying glass, type in here ANTST, and you'll see it there, Ant Stream. Click it and click Install. As you open it up, it will ask you to create a free account. It's really easy. You just create an account, which is email, password. It will send you an email, so make sure you put an official email account in. Click verify, and you're in. Simple as that. Simple as this. You can upgrade to premium accounts. You can change some settings. It is different things you can do, but there's plenties on there for you to play for free. Okay, next up, how do you add a controller? You go to settings. You go to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Game controllers. Add new game controller. And then you can pair your desired controller in Bluetooth pairing mode. And you can wire it in. So a Bluetooth controller will configure on there, like for instance a Xbox controller. If you wanted to, you can connect on there by holding down the Bluetooth button and connect it. Really easy, really simple. This way you can now play arcade games, retro games on your Firestick for free. Yes, for free, easily and simply. Brilliant. Before we leave, like I said, if you can, remember to hit the subscribe button. You will find out stuff. We do not just gaming, we do movies, TV shows, streaming, everything like that. If you're after a VPN, we've got NordVPN linked underneath. This is a partner of ours. And like stated, we've also got the link to our new Discord channel, where if you have any questions about this video or any other videos, or if you have any questions about streaming, there's a community there who will help you as well. Brilliant. So, I'm out of here. Have a nice weekend. I've been Doc Squiffy. Thank you for watching. Remember to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.